Bro, why is sneezing in public the most dangerous activity known to mankind? I swear, the second. I even think about sneezing. My nose is like initiating self-destruct sequence, and everyone around me turns into FBI agents on high alert. So I'm just standing there minding my business and then, achoo! And suddenly the entire room freezes. People look at me like I just pressed the big red button that launches all the missiles. One lady grabbed her kid like I was a wild raccoon. Someone else took a step back like I sneezed radioactive glitter. And the worst part? I try to play it off like, my bad, gang. But no, now I'm stuck in this awkward sneeze aftershock where my eyes are watery, my soul is leaving my body, and everyone is waiting to see if I'm gonna sneeze again, like it's the season finale. And then I feel that second sneeze creeping up, and I'm like, no, not here, not again. I can't handle the judgment twice. I'm fighting for my life, trying to hold it in, looking like a malfunctioning robot. Meanwhile, everyone's staring like, if he sneezes again, we evacuate. Bro, I sneezed. I didn't summon a demon. Relax, you're not gonna die.